What's up guys, Scott here with Bad Dad. Today we're doing a quick and easy install with our Competition Series dash and gas cap. This is going to clean up this factory tank and give it a nice custom touch. First thing we'll do to get started here is we're going to pop the factory seat out of the way. Set this guy aside. Then there's three things holding this factory dash on. You got the bottom bolt, fuel cap, and then there's a top bolt. First thing I'm going to take out, and it doesn't really matter which order you take the stuff off. I'm just going to take the bottom bolt out first. You will reuse the bottom bolt. The fuel cap and the top bolt do not get reused. Those will just live in the graveyard with this dash here. Then we'll spin out the front bolt and just lift that off there. Be sure it doesn't catch. Sometimes it'll want to catch your wiring here. So just make sure that doesn't pull out with it. Don't be too aggressive. So it's ready for the new dash. This dash will fit any of the factory tanks from 08 to 23 with the center fill gas cap. We do have dashes for Road Kings, for the specials with the gas cap over here, as well as the 07 and older models with the smaller tank as well. This example, this competition dash happens to be for this 08 to 23 6-gallon tank. So we've got the new dash here. First thing you'll do when you go to put this on, you'll have to run the weather seal on the bottom edge here. Super easy process. It just has a split seam in it, and you'll just slide it up on there and get it crimped, get it pushed on good. This just protects the paint on the original tank, as well as just keeps some of the moisture and weather out of the wiring and fuel system area here. Just lay this on there. Make sure your wiring lines stay tucked underneath the dash. Grab your pop-up style gas cap. Our competition gas cap is a unique two-piece design that acts as the front mounting piece for our dash. The outer trim ring threads into the tank and seats on the dash to keep it in place, eliminating the need for the front bolt or any visible hardware. You just thread it into the tank using the outer trim collar, and then the center piece acts as your wrench to snug it up, and you're good to go. You just pop that in, and then we'll take that bottom bolt we set aside and saved for later, and that just gets put back in down here. Grab my ratchet, snug that up, and then we'll just put the seat back on. She's ready to go. You can see how this cleaned up the look of the tank, really took away the bulk and just streamlined this center section of the bike here. Makes a big difference for a little part. It takes just a couple minutes to install, as you can see. We do offer pretty much all the factory paint colors, over 130 of them, so we can paint match to your tank. Or some guys will do a black dash on their other paint color options, just like the Harley black powder coated ones for a contrast look. And as I mentioned, we do have dashes like this for 24s and up, 23 and earlier, pretty much all the different tank configurations. So check it out at baddad.com and give us a call anytime to help out.